Did you know you can build your own lightsaber someplace other than at Savi's workshop? It's also much cheaper. Now, building a lightsaber at Savi's workshop is a great experience, but maybe you don't want to spend $200 to custom build one. Tatooine Traders is located next to Star Tours. That's where you can build a much cheaper lightsaber. It costs $30 for a single blade and $45 for a double blade. This is a great option for kids or adults who don't want to spend $200 on a lightsaber. Okay, so pick them.
You can pick some of those parts. And you can line that up to the grooves on the side and all the way up. You just have to fit it through and you'll know if it fits. And all the way up, push it hard.
Push it all the way up to the top on your feet. And again, you get it? There we go. Any of those parts. That one.
And find the hole on the side of that and line it up with the red button.
Yep. So, it'll need to go that way. Be all the way up.
Okay, and then one of those.
Okay, now pick one of those.
Which one do you want?
That one? Oh, because it matches? I think that one turns on.
And twist it to the right.
The other way, bud. Yeah.
There we go, and keep it going.
Keep going till it starts. There we go. Now it's starting to go on. Yeah, cheers.
And the red button.
Hold it. Push that red button.
Okay. And we leave the tape out in the store, thank you.